Alright, so here we have the code for the character creator piece, and I have to scroll way down here to get to the reset avatar. I had to pull it up in Firefox because it would not pull up in Visual Studio or TextPad or Notepad. I think it's because those programs all intercept pretty much all keyboard or mouse input and throw away whatever it's not using. Anyway, so here's a reset avatar. Now the first thing is the hair. The thing that I didn't do, the hair problem was my fault. I did not put this command at the end of adding the hair, and that is detect attached hair. The manager up in here in reset is made right here. It's get component MD3 character manager on the reference I have for the whatever body I'm using. It is an MD3 character manager. The close here. Here's what I had to change. Let me go to add clothes pack down here. I used to take the clothing pack and iterate through every piece of clothing on the clothing pack and then use this line, attach CI clothing. And that's where I was having the tearing problem. What I've changed it to is to attach the entire content pack in one, using this function here in the API, add content pack. And that seems to have done the trick. And that was given to me, this information was given to me by Umut Ozkan of o3n.org. And thank you, Umut, for your help with all this stuff. The problem is that you can't now change out just a chest piece or just the headgear. You have to change the whole thing in order to not have the tearing, which kind of limits you in what kind of gear. You can't mix and match gear now. You have to have just each individual pack. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. The rest here is just setting which models I'm going to use, setting button colors, a bunch of other things. I hope this helps someone. I also want to thank Ryan over at Morph3D. He's been working with me too, and I guess their developers seem a little interested in getting an API that's more usable. Some of the things that I had asked them to look at were functions, or excuse me, methods in the manager object, the M3D character manager, to change hair, to change slots of clothing, so that where it automatically deletes the previous one and sets the new one, or just simply changes it, so you don't have all these other problems that we're having. Not just clothing, but hair. And I also would like to see them be able to change eyes or eye color, and change the skin color or the shaders for the